morning students, welcome to your English class. Today you will open your English grammar book. It is the new chapter, that is conjunction. Conjunctions are the joining words. When we join two words or two statements with some words as, and, because, so, these words are called conjunctions. So open your grammar book and start your work. You will do all the exercises in your grammar book. Let's start. Open your book, chapter 16, conjunctions, page number 52. Conjunctions are the words which connect words or statements. What are conjunctions? Yes, conjunctions are the joining words which connect two words or two or more than two statements. Some conjunctions are and, but, or, and, because. These are the examples of conjunctions and, but, or, because. These are the examples of conjunctions. Look at the sentences given below. Vinita went to market. Ankita went to market. These two statements can be joined as Vinita and Ankita went to market. Look here. These are the two sentences. Vinita went to market. Ankita went to market. These are the same sentence. So we join these two sentences with word and. Vinita and Ankita went to market. So and is the conjunctions. Second, I wore my sweater. It was very cold. These two statements can be joined as I wore my sweater because it was very cold. Why we wore my sweater? Because it was very cold. So because is the example of conjunctions. Arushi ran very fast. Arushi stood third in the race. These two statements can be joined as Arushi ran very fast but she stood third in the race. So we have the examples of conjunctions and, because, and, but. These are the other examples: or, since, before, though, then, and that. Okay. Now turn the page and start your exercise in book. Page number 54. Page number 54. Exercise A. Write down the classwork. Mention today's date, that is 28/1/2021. 28/1/21. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences with correct conjunctions. Garima dash Monisha are very good. Both the girls are very hardworking dash they don't have strong physique. Garima and Monisha. It is our conjunction. Garima and Monisha are very good friends. Both the girls are very hardworking. We use here conjunction but they don't have strong physique. They belong to different backgrounds dash they understand each other very well. They don't have strong physique. They belong to different backgrounds but They understand each other very well. They are very intelligent, but they never boast of it. They are so good in their behavior, so everyone likes them in school. So everyone likes them in school and at home. They have been excelling in every activity that they that they joined the school. They drink either Kangra tea and fresh water of natural springs in Palampur. Second exercise. Join the following two statements with appropriate conjunctions to make one sentence. In this exercise, you have two sentences and you will join the two sentences with conjunction. Yash is very rich. Yash is not happy. Yash is start your work. Yash is very rich, but he is not happy. Yash is very rich. Yash is not happy. Yash is very rich, but he is not happy. Julie is tall. Rosie is taller. Julie is tall, but Rosie is taller. Sophia drew a picture. Sophia took her lunch first. Sophia drew a picture, but she took her lunch first. I have money. I don't have time. I have money, but I don't have time. Vinita went to club. Sunita went to church. Vinita went to club and Sunita went to church. Alfred is reading. Alicia is sleeping. Alfred is reading. But Alicia is sleeping. Vishal comes to school in his car. Surjit comes on his horse. Vishal comes to school comes to school in his car, and Surjit comes on his horse. You invite me, I shall definitely come. If you invite me, I shall definitely come. I shall lend you my book, you are my friend. I shall lend you my book because you are my friend. I am working hard. I want to win the gold medal. I am working hard because I want to win the gold medal. Okay, so start your work fast and show me your book. And your homework is you learn the exercise A and B of chapter conjunctions. It is your today's work. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.